So good morning, everybody, and welcome to Tallinn for those of you who traveled from a bit further away than Estonia. And yes, it is the fifth software-defined space conference. We are happy to host it, and we'll definitely keep hosting it the next years as well. So let me start with a question. What if satellite could learn tonight and relaunch its mission tomorrow without ever leaving orbit? Space is changing fast, as you probably know. Heavy hardware is giving way to living software that is modular, updatable, and adaptive. AI and autonomy are no longer add-ons, they are becoming the operating systems of space. And software defined isn't just how we build, it's how we think. And I'm sure that you will have discussions thinking about this further on today. Again, can we reconfigure a payload mid-mission? Yes. Can we respond to a threat in minutes instead of months? We have to. Can we connect systems that never met before and make them work together? That is the goal. Interoperable, scalable, resilient, and curious by default. We here in Estonia, we understand this mindset that comes along with these questions. We grew up digital and learned that trust is engineered, it's not assumed. And trust is actually the essential in this mindset as well. In space, as on Earth, software is the foundation, not a layer of paint at the end. But you probably also know that digital cuts both ways. It means that the systems that lift us up can be also attacked and misused. So here's another question. What if security wasn't the gate at the end, but the runway from the start? We need secure by design architectures. We need rigorous testing. We need clear rules with clear roles that build real resilience. That is why Estonia is building a space cyber range. We need to break things safely before someone breaks them for real, in real life. It is why we lean into European work on space law and cybersecurity standards, and why we link our civil and defense communities. Civil and defense communities have come closer, obviously, dual use, but also defense only is one of our government's priorities as well, as you probably know. Cybersecurity does not slow innovation, it enables it. It keeps our digital orbit safe, sovereign, and sustainable. This year marks 10 years since Estonia joined European Space Agency. A decade ago, we were the new kid on the block. Today, I can say that we are the trusted partner. We have launched student satellites, built ground stations, and backed startups that push the frontier further. Leaders from ESA and the EU visit Tallinn often, as you do right now. And we share a vision that is open, secure, and future-ready. But our story, actually, it's not the headline you guys here are. So here are 3 questions for the next discussions that I hope you will discuss. So what can we reconfigure? Which missions can shift in real time? And which architectures can evolve in orbit? If your system cannot change mid-flight, is it ready for this decade? The next question, what can we share? Code, data, telemetry, training sets, and standards. The cost of isolation is rising, and interoperability turns solo missions into a network. Another question, what can we prove? Not slides, but signals, not promises, but tests. Can you show it on the range, on the bench, and when it's ready, in the sky? And last but not least, what are we bringing with us? Students, young professionals, and teachers. So programs like Astronaut has put space into classrooms, into the minds of young people. Summer schools, university labs, they turn curiosity into competence. If someone has the spark, we owe them the tools, AI, autonomy, and the digital skills to use them well. So this conference has been a launchpad where you meet a mentor, you find a co-founder, you stress test your ideas, start a career, start a company, start the standards. So I encourage you to use this time that you have here together. Estonia stands ready, not just as a host, but as a partner. I encourage you to bring your toughest problems in cyber, software, and standards forward. We will test with you, build with you, and learn with you. And together, let's write the next chapter. Space sector that is secure by design, software-defined that is core, and relentlessly innovative. A sector that updates overnight, heals under attack, and serves people on Earth today and for generations. I wish you fruitful discussions. And I wish you also the most ambitious ideas and the most innovative and risky ideas that you might have to bring them forward. Thank you.